dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Tinubu said that Nigeria can achieve greater things if all leaders decide to work together towards a common goal. Why people don't be small matter. Moving on to the next one. Human rights lawyer Femi Falana has advised the National Assembly to pass the new Minimum Wage Act the same way the new National Anthem Act was enacted within 48 hours last week. But guys, before we commence fully, welcome back to this wonderful channel as we bring you back-to-back updates and information as they hot. In case it's the first time of joining this wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us on today's news. To all our viewers out there, thank you so much for joining us on today's news. So guys, let's proceed. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu said that Nigeria can achieve greater things if all leaders decide to work together towards a common goal. Speaking at the commissioning ceremony of the Outer Southern Expressway from Villa Roundabout to Ring Road 1 in Abuja, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who was represented by his Vice President Kashim Shettima, said that the country could achieve more if leaders share partisan politics. He said that the completion of this project is not only a piece of engineering, but is a testament to the power of collaboration and partnership. That it is a shining example of what they can accomplish when they work together towards a common goal, transcending political divide and personal interest for the greater good of the nation. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu said that what is unfolding in our capital is a testament to what they can achieve with the government's Renew Hope agenda of a positive transformation for the FCT and indeed Nigeria. This ambitious undertaking holds profound significance for the FCT and its residents. The expansion of the Outer Southern Motorway will not only alleviate traffic congestion. That is what President Bola Ahmed Tinubu said. He said, rather, it will improve transportation, but will also stimulate economic growth and create opportunity for prosperity. My people, during Goodluck Jonathan era, they not agree work with him. He reach in turn, he wants to make everybody work with him. My people, don't be small. We can't achieve anything when some of us are living comfortably while the majority is languishing in abject poverty. When we treat ourselves fairly, then we can achieve our common goal. Just imagine the kind of government we practice. Imagine poor country like Nigeria running the most expensive government in the world. Work together all the time. Who are those people that he wants to work with? Are they against him? My people, don't be small matter. Some persons are saying that after stealing a mandate, now he can't even do the job required. He's contesting for president, and now he wants us to work together. Work together as what? Is it Tinubu? How can a country progress when politicians are greedy and selfish? See their monthly take home in the same country where people are suffering. So President Bola Ahmed Tinubu should consider the 90% of Nigeria that are not in civil service, whose businesses have been shut down due to harsh operational conditions that have laid off their employees, and others living every day from hand to mouth. We are all Nigerians and we deserve some good life. My people, don't be small matter. So many persons are against President Bola Ahmed Tinubu because they said in rich in turn he want the leaders to work together with him. That why he no agree work together with Jonathan. Now only Buhari now he follow work, even when Fulani herdsmen by his people for Ondo State, that he refused to condemn that action. Because of his desperate ambition, now he don't reach in turn, he want make people follow and walk. He wants me they join hands together to make this presidency journey a successful one. So guys, I go like know what I think about this matter in the comment section. Let's make the comments lively in our comment section. Moving on to the next one. The human rights lawyer Femi Falana has advised the National Assembly to pass the new Minimum Wage Act the same way they did to the new National Anthem Act that was enacted within 48 hours last week. Falana disclosed this in a press release on Sunday, June 2, noted that the National Minimum Wage Act 2019 has expired. So he said, pursuant to the National Minimum Wage Act 2019, that the national minimum wage was fixed at 30,000 by virtue of Section 34 of the Act 2019, that the national minimum wage has expired. So after 5 years, they're supposed to review in line with the provision of this act that says the commencement date of the act on the 18th of April 2019 that the national minimum wage was 30,000, and since that time it has expired. The Minister of State, Ministry of Labour and Employment, Honorable Kiruka Onyejocha, announced during the last day of May in Abuja that the new national minimum wage would take effect on 1st, 2024. So following the removal of fuel subsidy last year, the federal government had announced an additional 35,000 wage award for 6 months, starting from September 1st, 2023. During the 6-month period, the total monthly wage payable to a worker was 65,000. In the same vein, the various state governments awarded various sum of wages subsidies to their workers. Both Lagos and Edo state governments have since announced a minimum wage of 70,000. So curiously, the federal government turned around to offer a minimum wage of 48,000. Hence, the Nigerian Labour Congress and Trade Union Congress have embarked on an indefinite strike due to the failure of the federal government and other employees of employment to pay a realistic new minimum wage to Nigerians workers. So it has been reported that the leaders of the National Assembly has intervened in the planned strike. The National Assembly should therefore pass speedily a new national minimum wage. That is what Fanana told them. Like the way they did during the National Anthem Act that was enacted within 48 hours last week. And they do the same thing. Nigerians are not ready yet. If not, now everybody supposed riot. They suppose all day street they riot concerning this issue. The old ones are fighting for the youth, but the youth are busy campaigning for government that has put us in this hardship. President Bola Tinubu, RI0USLY, and other persons, we are against the then President Ebele Goodluck Jonathan. As of then, when our economy was better, fuel was 65. Bag of rice was 70k. Minimum wage can afford 2 bags of rice with extra cash, but now minimum wage can't afford 1 bag of rice, and they are all praising President Bola Tinubu for removing fuel subsidy as if it was his idea. Goodluck Jonathan wanted to remove it, and then it would be easier to sustain it. The same President Bola Tinubu and RI0USLY and others were against it. They protested against it. Nothing they didn't call, Goodluck Jonathan. They even carry coffee of a living man. Today, instead of facing Nigeria's problem, they are facing Peter Obi. They have even transferred the hate from Goodluck Jonathan to Peter Obi. See how they changed national anthem as if it was their problem. I don't blame this politician at all time. Next election, you will still see Nigerians with their regular bigotry. They still go vote. That be the thing. The new minimum wage was not in his agenda. If not, he would have changed it. They use billions of dollars to change national anthem. Now, for them to change the new minimum wage, it's difficult for them. It is easy to buy a set of new cars, expensive cars for that matter, for their own use, but it's hard to implement the new minimum wage. Just imagine. It's unwise to think that those guys are sitting in the red chamber and they don't want the happiness of all Nigerians. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions, your opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you because I don't really get it. How is the national anthem reversal? It's not among presidential priority in the midst of all the chaos in this country. So guys, let's make the conversation live in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying tuned with us. We really do appreciate. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come